As the automotive landscape evolves, aerodynamic innovation takes center stage. BYD's dedication to pushing the boundaries of electric vehicle design not only enhances efficiency but also paves the way for a sustainable future. With innovative features like retractable door handles, wheel covers, and an active rear spoiler, the U6 represents a new era in aerodynamic excellence. According to Electrek, BYD, the top producer of electric vehicles in China, has boldly promised to outperform Tesla by releasing the most aerodynamic electric vehicle to date. Although BYD has not yet officially unveiled the U6, a new electric sedan, it has shown off several features that appear to drastically minimize drag, surpassing even the aerodynamics of Tesla's Model S Plaid and Lucid Air. As of right now, the Lucid Air has a drag coefficient of 0.21 while the Tesla Model S Plaid has a rating of 0.208. BYD claims that the U6 has an extremely low drag coefficient of 0.195. Reducing drag, which is the resistance an item faces when traveling through the air, is essential to a vehicle's aerodynamics. The vehicle can go at high speeds more effectively the lower the resistance. Manufacturers use a variety of methods to minimize drag, including sealing any gaps and smoothing the outside of the vehicle to prevent airflow around the vehicle. Regarding the U6, pictures made public by the EU Patent Office indicate that BYD painstakingly created a rounded, streamlined shape with retractable wheel covers, door handles, and an active rear spoiler to improve its aerodynamic performance. EV makers now prioritize aerodynamic design, which is in line with larger initiatives to improve the efficiency of EV batteries. A car with reduced drag uses less energy to propel through the air, saving the electric battery. For instance, according to EXA Vice President of Ground Transportation Applications Ailes Elazbegovic, Tesla may have added almost 50 miles to the driving range of the Model 3 by reducing the drag coefficient from 0.32 to 0.24. Because there is less drag, drivers may spend more time driving and less time charging their cars, which highlights the significance of creative aerodynamic designs in the quickly changing world of electric automobiles. Håkan Samuelsson, the former CEO of Volvo, highlighted the industry's move toward aerodynamic design, asserting that new body shapes are required by the electrification of cars, going beyond conventional categories such as sedans, wagons, and SUVs. Such evolution is necessary since cars need to get more aerodynamic in order to fulfill future requirements. In a world where every innovation counts, BYD's commitment to aerodynamic perfection emphasizes the importance of cutting-edge design in the electric vehicle revolution. Less drag means more time on the road and less time charging, offering a glimpse into the future where electric vehicles seamlessly integrate into our lives. Stay tuned as BYD drives us towards a greener, more efficient tomorrow.